Hi, it's Marty Millner with Coldwell Banker Hearthside Realtors in Newtown, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching another edition of my video blog. Today we're going to be talking about Zestimates. Can you trust them? Before we get into the topic though, remember you can click on a button on my website, search all the houses that are listed in the multiple listing system, and if you really want a true and accurate sense of what your house is worth, click on the link for Home Value Report, and I'll explain in today's topic why that's more relevant than Zestimates. I have, to the topic at hand, have a lot of clients that talk to me when we're talking about listing a house, that review with me their Zestimate. They're proud of the fact in many cases that their house is shown on Zillow with the Zestimate worth a certain amount of money, and they want to know whether that value is accurate or not. Well, I'm here to tell you that the answer is it's not very accurate at all. In fact, Zillow on their website, it's a little bit hard to find, but if you search real carefully, you can actually find in any given area, most major metropolitan markets in the country, how accurate or lack thereof Zestimates are. So in Bucks County, which actually fares better than in some other parts of the country, the median Zestimate is only about 6%, within 6% of what a house actually ends up selling for. So again, that's the median Zestimate, meaning half of the Zestimates in Bucks County aren't even within 6% of the value that that a house sells for. That could be high or low, and only about 40% are even within 5%. 67% are within 10%. But again, those statistics are such that if only 67% of the time I was within 10% of what a house sold for, I wouldn't stay in business as long as I have. I've been in real estate for over 20 years. So those statistics are really pretty sobering. And again, when you're talking about a 10% differential on a $500,000 house, I mean, that could be $50,000 high or low. So again, these estimates that you're seeing on Zillow really aren't accurate. And the problem comes basically because a lot of the things that add value to a house, Zillow as just a computer network really can't tell whether there's an updated kitchen, whether there's a finished basement, the location within a particular community. It can't tell specifically, neighborhood values compared with other similar neighborhoods in a relatively close, narrowly defined market. Because we all know if you're in the business, there's certain neighborhoods where buyers, perceive and are willing to pay more for houses in those particular neighborhoods than some others. So again, it's an interesting tool. Zillow pays a lot of money to get their name, into the public eye. So I know it's easy to look up Zestimates, but again, please, take those values with a high dose of grain of salt because they're not really very accurate. If you're interested in learning what your house is really worth in today's market, I can provide you with a market snapshot report that will give you very specific, detailed information about all houses that have come on the market, sold, pending, days on the market, percentage of houses that are increasing and decreasing in a given market, and very specific neighborhood by neighborhood analysis that'll give you a much better sense of what your house is really worth. And the best way to really understand that is to have me look at your house and give you a detailed market analysis, and you'll see exactly how your house compares with others that are on the market. So if I can help with anything real estate related, please feel free as always to call me, email, or text. I'm at 215-519-1399. Thanks for watching and have a great day.